Strong basic math skills unlock so many doors for adult learners, from handling daily tasks to tackling higher-level math with confidence. In this video, you'll discover 7 practical ways to help your students master addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We'll share how to connect math to daily life, use concrete tools, build number sense, practice fact fluency, break down word problems, and boost learner confidence every step of the way. Building math foundations: how to help learners master basic operations in adult ed. 1. Connect to daily life. Show how each operation applies to real-world scenarios. Use examples like budgeting, addition, subtraction, shopping, multiplication, or sharing items division. This makes the math immediately relevant. 2. Use concrete manipulatives. Provide physical objects like counters, blocks, or play money. Let learners physically represent problems, especially for addition and subtraction. This helps visualize abstract concepts. 3. Emphasize number sense. Focus on understanding what numbers mean and how they relate. Discuss estimation before calculating exact answers. This builds a strong intuitive grasp of quantities. 4. Teach multiple strategies. Show different ways to solve problems, not just one method. Some learners prefer counting on, others breaking numbers apart. This caters to diverse learning styles and builds flexibility. 5. Practice fact fluency. Fun ways. Use games, flashcards, or quick drills for memorizing basic facts. Make practice short, frequent, and enjoyable. This speeds up calculations and reduces cognitive load for complex problems. 6. Break down word problems. Guide learners to identify the operation needed in word problems. Teach them to look for keywords that signal addition, subtraction, and so on. This helps them translate real-world situations into math. 7. Build confidence gradually. Start with simple problems and slowly increase difficulty. Celebrate every correct answer and every effort to solve a problem. This reduces math anxiety and encourages persistence. Mastering basic operations empowers adult students with essential math skills for all aspects of their lives. These strategies build a strong foundation, increase confidence, and prepare learners for advanced math concepts. Please share this video in your network, and don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. The CBL team, your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.